George, home time. Don't leave any stuff behind. Let's check we haven't forgotten anything. Towels.
Greatness is not a solo pursuit. It's the result of everyone around you. Communities coming together for wherever the journey takes you. Toyota, start your impossible.
A hat. Daddy! We forgot Daddy! Yes! Daddy!
Matiis, kinamitis, naiinis kapag umalis. Pwede bang dito ka na lang, oh please. Kahit ilang oras pa lang nakakalipas ang magkalayo, para bang ilang taon na hindi kita nasisilayan. Kahit saan pa mapunta, ikaw na aalala ko palagi. Kung pwede lang, ikaw na lang nasa aking tabi. Di ko matiis, sige na may pinis, naiinis kapag umaalis. Pwede ba na dito ka na lang, oh please. Uwi na ako patungo sa'yo. Di na mapigilan.
Now, or you won't get any cake.
George isn't listening. He's too busy putting the dolls to bed.
George, if you want to play in my doll's house, you have to help with the tea party. Here, George, you can fill the teapot with water. Children, come downstairs right now. Mommy, we're coming.
George is going to fill the teapot with water. George has found a spider in the sink. George wants the spider to be his friend. The spider wants George.
Ang puso ko'y laging iyo. Di man mangyari ngayon, ito laging ikaw ang dapat. Yeah. Ng puso ko hindi mapalitan. Ngunit nawawala ka, asan ka na? Ako lang rin ba? Lagi lang ikaw ang
Sinisipan nila labang ng mga nerd ito. Sobra.
Hindi alam ang gagawin kung paano ko may babalik ang mahal ngayong pinadama. Pinadama. Babaliw na ako sa iyong ganda ba ng katumbas to? Sabi ko nun sa'yo, iba talaga ka man mo. Ngunit nawawala ka, asan ka na? Ako lang rin ba? Lagi lang ikaw ang nasa isip ko, sinta. Hindi man mawala-wala, naliligaw pa nga. Hindi alam ang gagawin kung paano ko may babalik ang mahal ngayong pinadama. Pinadama. Sabi ko rin nun sa'yo, ikaw ang tagal. Lagi lang nadama.
Oh.
When Captain Grandpa tells you all to do something, you must do it. Is it something silly?
What if maging tayo?
I never said anything silly.
Lagi lang ikaw nasa isip ko, Sinta. Hindi ka mawala-wala. Naliligaw pa nga. Hindi alam magagawin ko. Paano ko may babalik ang mahal na pinadama.
Grandpa, I like to move fast.
Don't worry, Peppa. We'll go fast.
Look, there's another boat.
Here's Grandad Dog. He's taking Daddy Dog out for a day on the road.
Aggie.
Ahoy there, Grandad Dog!
Ang ganda. Sabi na nga ba?
Hello, Danny. Hello, Daddy. Ow!
Grandad Dog is Grandpa Pig's very best friend.
Aggie.
I'm surprised your pig is still afloat, Grandad Dog. It must be almost as old as you are.
This old boat's can go faster than your rusty bucket hay day, Grandpa Pig.
All right, you old sea dog. Race you.
Prepare to lose, water hog.
You two are acting like little children. Grandad Dog called me a water hog.
You called him a sea dog first, Grandpa. You should say sorry.
Only if he said sorry first.
Grandad, say sorry to Grandpa Pig. He's your best friend.
No, he's a water hog, and my boat is faster than his.
All right, sea dog.
On the count of 3.
Bro! Ang dami. Bro, what the hell?
Very clever, Captain Butler. Maybe I did go a bit too fast. How will we get home?
Look, there's Grandad Dog.
Grandad Dog will tell us why.
Kang magkakilala sa unang pagtagpo. Ano At naunawan sa lalim mahiwaga, pipiliin ka sa araw-araw. Mahiwaga ang nadarama, sa'yo'y malinaw.
Bakit?
Sa minsang
Ay, kapira na lang yun.
hinila patungo sa akin, tanging ika'y ibiging wagas at buo. Mayapa sa yakap
Ramdam.
ng iyong hiwaga. Mayapa sa yakap ng iyong mahiwaga, pipiliin ka sa araw-araw. Mahiwaga ang nadarama, sa'yo'y malinaw. Mahiwaga, huwag nang mawala araw-araw. Mahiwaga, pipiliin ka araw-araw.
Shall we have George? Apples?
Oranges.
Bananas? A melon? That's cheese.
Checkout.
Palagi akong nananaginip. At pagising ko,
Oh, ang layas.
para akong nagluluksa para sa pagmamahal na di ko pa naman nahanap.
Daddy Pig. No. It does look rather yummy. Oh, let's put it in the chocolate cake.
May nalimutan yata ako. May naiwan sa daan. May biglang paggaan ng mga balikat ko at hindi ko naiintindihan. Pero sobrang gaan. Masakit.
My birthday is not yet.
Tatago ka.
It is Pepper's birthday.
Together.
Very good.
It's my birthday.
Sino yung nasa panaginip mo?
My God, it's my birthday. I'm going to have a party. And Daddy is doing a magic show.
Ikaw,
This week, Mommy and Daddy are.
I need to get Jack to sleep fast asleep.
Wake up, it's
No.
my birthday.
Bro!
susunod na habang buhay ay wala. Di talaga inasahan magkagulong kagulatan tahanan pinagpaguran sana napunta hindi ka pangako mo
Oh! No!
na iwalay ingatan pagkanangan sa susunod na habang pangako mo nung una, tiwala'y ingatan ka naman sa susunod na habang buhay. At kahit na pagkunan ng oras, ang puso may naputas, ikaw pa rin sa susunod na habang
Bro!
kung mahalin sa susunod na habang buhay.
Sino nasa panaginip?
Daddy Dog is going to play the big bad wolf. Granddad Dog and Mummy Dog are helping him practice.
I'm the big bad wolf. Try not to laugh.
You should make it scary. Try it like you're standing. See?
Yes, that was really scary.
Patrick Odin is going to play the hot dog. The rest of them have the big bad wolf.
I know that.
Bro! Bro!
Mga ito ang iyong gusto. Ito'y lilisan na.
Very good, Rebecca.
Mga alaala'y ibabaon. Ibang tamis ng kahapon. Mga gabing hindi namamalayang oras ay lumilipad. Mga Sandaling lumalayag kung saan man tayo mapadpad.
Oh! Gado!
Hawak ang iyong kamay, ito'y maling akala, isang malaking sablay. Pasensya ka na sa mga kathang isip ko.
What was that?
Waridala lang ng pagmamahal sa'yo. Ako'y gigising na sa panaginip ko ito.
Ah,
At sa wakas ay kusang lalayo
sige, sige, sige.
sa'yo. Lalayo sa ano kabilis nagsimula. Kung katulinaw na, maaari ba tayong bumalik sa umpisa?
Salamat ka talaga yan. Gusto ko lang. Patayin kita next time.
Pusong nag-iisa. Pasensya ka na sa mga kathang isip kong ito. Waridala lang ng pagmamahal sa'yo. Ako'y gigising na sa panaginip kong ito. At sa wakas ay kusang lalayo sa'yo. Lalayo sa sumabay sa agos na isinulat ng tadhana. Na minsan siya'y para sa iyo, pero minsan siya'y paasa. Tatakbo papalayo, kakalimutan ang lahat. Kahit saan man lumingon, nasusulyapan ng kahapon. At sa aking bawat paghinga, ikaw nasa isip ko, sinta. Kaya pasensya ka na
Mga mayayabang puta.
ang kathang isip ko ito. Waridala lang ng pagmamahal sa'yo. Ako'y gigising na mula sa panaginip ko ito. At sa wakas ay kusang lalayo sa'yo. Lalayo sa di ba nga ito ang iyong gusto? Ako'y lilisan na ako.
Now we can heat up the tomato soup.
Listen to the sounds of nature.
What is that?
Enjoy uninterrupted videos with YouTube Premium and get into what you're into. Whether it's your favorite hobby or newest obsession, watch videos ad-free, offline, and with background play. Try YouTube Premium on us.
Okay po.
So quiet.
Paano natin malalaman kung laging nagsisisihan? Tahan, pwede ko bang malaman laman ng iyong isipan para walang maling akala? Parang kay bilis ng iyong pag-alis. Teka lang, teka lang, teka lang muna. Sana kamali, pwede bang bumawi? Teka lang, teka lang, teka lang muna. Masyado pang maaga para mawala ka. Masyado ba akong naniwala sa iyong pinangako na minahal kita higit pa sa sarili ko? Diyos ko, ba't di kita malinaw? Teka lang, teka lang, teka lang muna. Sana kamali, pwede bang bumawi? Teka lang, teka lang, teka lang muna. Sabing sandali, ba't nagmadali? Teka lang, teka lang, teka lang muna. Sana kamali, pwede bang bumawi? Teka lang, teka lang, teka lang muna. Masyado pang maaga para mawala ka. Masyado pang maaga para mawala ka.
The stars, everyone.
Simbang gabi na naman, tayo gising na, patulog pa lang ang buwan. Ang simoy ng hangin, dahan-dahan na humahaplos sa mukha ng bawat tao. Bumabagsak-bagsak pa ang mata, dahan-dahang kumislap ang mga ilaw ng tumatandang simbahan, kung saan magkasama tayong nagdasal at nakinig sa misa de Gallo. Pagdating ng ama namin, ang oras huminto nang magkahawa ang ating mga kamay, humawi mga ulap at sabay, nagsiyawit ang mga anghel sa langit. At nang unang gabi ng Pasko'y sumapit, kay ganda ng harana ng tinig na sumasabay sa inyong Tapos magsimula habang hinahatid kita sa iyong tahanan. Parang walang katapusan ang ating kwentuhan tungkol sa mga buhay ng isa't isa. Ako'y nahalina nang mapadaan tayo doon sa may tindahan, umawing mga ulap at sabay nagsiyawit ang mga anghel sa langit. At nang unang gabi ng Pasko'y sumapit kay ganda ng harana ng tinig na sumasabay sa ihip ng hangin. Ang sabi nila, ang sabi nila, tapos din ng siyang na araw ng simbang gabi, ang sabi ko sa sarili, baka ito nang huli. Pero mula nung unang ama namin na ang iyong kamay ay hinawakan, di mo na binitawan. Nagsiyawit ang mga anghel sa langit. At nang unang gabi ng Pasko'y sumapit kay ganda ng harana ng tinig na sumasabay sa ihip ng hangin. Ang sabi nila, ang sabi nila, oh, ang sabi nila, ang sabi nila, bilhat mo na siya ng hindi ka, dahil ikaw na ang aking tadhana. Bilhan mo na siya ng bibingka, dahil ikaw na ang aking tadhana.
Everyone's customer is very good. Hooray! Now you say the winner.
Listen, you pay monthly fees for a streaming app, and a music app, and a fitness app, and more money for a bunch of other apps? That really adds up. So why not get YouTube Premium for just 159 pesos? It's like having all those and the entire world of YouTube uninterrupted. Your wallet will thank you, if wallets could talk. YouTube Premium. Try 1 month free.
I can think of all the times you told me not to touch the light. I never thought that you would be the one. I couldn't really justify how you even thought it could be right, 'cause everything we cherished is gone. And in the end, can you tell me if it was worth the try? So why can't you say leaves will soon grow from the barrenness of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmest of seas, and all will be alright in time. Oh, you never love someone until
Special
you
chair.
learn to forgive.
This is the Queen's dress. This means gold.
Try as hard as I might to flee the shadows of the night. It haunts me and it makes me feel. But how can I try to hide when every breath and every hour I still end up thinking of you? And in the end, everything we have makes it worth the fight. So I will hold on for as long as the leaves will soon go from the barrenness of trees. And all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmest of seas. And all will be alright in time. Oh, you never really love someone until you learn to forgive. I never thought that I would see the day that I decide if I should leave or stay. But in the end, what makes it worth the fight is that no matter what happens, we try to make it right. So go from the balance of strength, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmest of seas, and all will be alright in time. Wounds of the past will eventually heal, and all will be alright in time. 'Cause all of this comes with a love that is real. I said all will be alright in time. I said all will be alright in time. I said all will be alright in time. All will be alright in time. Oh, never really love someone until you learn to.
The sun is shining. It is a very hot day.
What a lovely hot
Learn to forgive.
Very good. They will jump in muddy puddles.
I love
Learn to
Oh dear, the sun is so hot that the puddles have dried up.
Mommy, Daddy, the puddles are all dry, and we can't jump in them. Never mind, Pepper. It's so sunny. You could play in the paddling pool instead. Yes, the paddling pool. First, you have to change into your swimming costumes. Yes, please.
Most music apps have some kind of one-size-fits-all workout playlist. But the YouTube Music app has ad-free playlists personalized to fit you and your kind of workout. You better work, index finger. Get YouTube Music Premium. Try 1 month free.
Yes.
place where you and I were supposed to meet. City on a stick along, my thoughts are spinning on and on my head. It seems they lead me back to you. I keep coming back to you. Took a morning ride, found a place up in my mind no one else can see. Maybe it's fate that we lose control. In circles around we go. We become who we ought to know. We just gotta let it go. We just gotta let it go. So I'm coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe you. Oh, 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 oh.
Doesn't want to eat it.
Thank you, Miss Rabbit.
Enjoy the weather.
George, I really think you should eat your ice lolly before it melts and falls on the ground.
Oh dear. Willie's dinosaur ice lolly has melted and fallen on the ground.
Never mind, George. You can share Daddy's ice cream. I'm sure you'll find.
It is so warm, Daddy Pig has fallen asleep.
Daddy Pig does look hot.
Let's get water on that, it's going down.
Good idea, Pepper.
What happened?
You were all red and hot, Daddy Pig.
So we check water on it.
Oh, I see. Thank you, Pepper.
Look, the puzzles are back. Quick, George, let's get our room.
George operate their books.
Huwag muna tayong umuwi. Dito muna muna. Huwag muna tayong umuwi. Dito muna muna. Huwag muna tayong umuwi. Magkahawak kamay, naglalakad sa may dalampasigan. Saksi ang alon at buwan. Pumipilis ang tibok ng puso tuwing ika'y tumatawa o tumitingin sa aking mata. Kinakabahan na baka gusto mo na umalis. Hindi ko malaman kung paano sasabihin. Huwag muna tayong umuwi. Mundo'y tahimik sa iyong tabi. Dito muna gawa natin gabi. Nalalaho ang dilim sa iyong ngiti. Dito muna muna ako. Dito muna muna tayo. Dito muna baka pwede namang dito muna tayo. Hanggang ang langit ay maging kulay kahit madilaw. Habang tumidiin ang paa sa buhangin, tumitindi na.
Bro,
Basta.
Kinakabahan na baka
Okay. Balik ko na naman.
gusto mo
padya ang hangin na nakapalipot sa'kin. Tila merong payotik, ako'y nananapit. Di naman napilitan, kusa na lang naramdaman. Di inaasahan, papunay ng kalawakan. Ikaw sa paligid umawit-awit, natutulala sa nakakaakit-akit mo. Tinatanging napapangiti mo ang aking puso. Giliw, di mapigil ang puso. Ang damdamin ko, kung mapato amin mo. Giliw, nagbago'y buhating na sa'yo. Ang damdamin ko, napagtanto na gusto kita.
Hindi ko alam kung saan ko sisimulan. Binibigyan kulay ang larawan na para bang ikaw ang nag-iisang bituing nagsisilbing buwan na kapiling mo. Sa likod ng mga ulap pang tayo lamang ang tanging magkakanaan.
Iwan sa paligid umawit-awit.
Ayoko na. Bye na muna. Dream out.
Napapangiti mo ang aking puso.
Giliw,